Alright, I have one more, kind of like a mod and product review. Actually, it's like two products and a mod, but it's a Camel AVD one finger clutch arm. You can walk over this side, and it's this. All it is, which it's a little bit stronger than your factory metal one, but it's a little bit longer. And it comes with a new cable mounting bracket, which I had to modify this for some reason. I don't know if I can get a picture, but the original bolt hole, now I know my cable stretched just a little bit, but I could not get it to adjust up tight. So what I did is I came back probably like 3/8 of an inch and drilled a new hole to move this bracket forward. And after that, it's been fine. I have all the adjustment, because this was all the way at the end, and I had my up top adjustment all the way out, and it was just barely enough. So I came up with that, just make the bracket come forward. That gives you more cable adjustment. And I paired that. I was going to go with Warp 9 levers, but they're on back order. I even paid for them and everything, and 2 weeks later they wasn't shipped. I was like, what's the deal? So I emailed them, and they're like, oh, it's on back order. I was like, well, I wish y'all would put that on the website that they're on back order for ordering. But these are, I'm not going to say they're a knockoff, but they probably are. Let's see, I can't remember. MZS levers, I got them off Amazon. They're adjustable and they fold. So they're pretty nice, and they're really pretty beefy for the price. I mean, they're great. And that's the brake side. And I like to run 1 or 2 fingers, so I kind of modified this one. I cut it down, then I grooved it so I can feel with gloves when I'm at the end. My middle finger will be here, and my pointer finger is there. I don't know if I can get a picture, but I can feel it, because this coating that's on here is real slick. So taking that off and making them grooves in there, you can get better grip. This side is adjustable. I was worried about that backing out. You can adjust how far out and in you like your lever. But I got quite a few miles on here, and I just tightened that lock nut down pretty hard. I was going to put some thread locker on there, but thread locker on something that you might need to tweak back and forth, it's not a good idea. But so far they haven't moved anywhere. But that's the mod. I mean, I cut quite a bit off of it. It was probably about the same length as this brake, so you can see I cut quite a bit off. And I added them grooves where I can really feel the end of it and have better grip. But that's that on you can do it with 1 finger. That's what I like about it. You keep your fingers full grip on the handlebar and work your clutch. It's good for technical areas. That's what I like about it. But that's that.